Hey guys, I'm going to do a different video today. I'm actually starting a new series called Clash Clans. And so what I'm going to do is Monday is going to be FIFA, and then Wednesday is going to be Clash Clans, and then Friday is going to be Minecraft, and then Saturday, Sunday can be whatever. Vlogs or something else. But the reason why I don't really have a lot of stuff. So yeah. Haley's Killer Hawk just and so today we're just gonna like go around and attack Haley, So yeah, guys, yeah. Wait, my bad. There was a girl complaining today for my FIFA thing.
Really?
Yeah. And I was like, it's already turned down.
Come on, attack it.
What if they can't hear me?
They can. Just go.
I am.
Seriously, why would you do that?
I don't know.
Put your freaking giants in.
I know.
Jesus, you do. Oh my god, Dylan.
Sorry.
You have not played this in so long, you can tell.
Dude, yeah.
Work on your king. Work on your king. Like, that needs to be a priority.
I know, but I don't got no freaking...
Dark elixir?
Yeah, that black
I have
stuff.
20k, I'll give you some.
20K?
Yeah, I have 20,000.
You can donate now?
No. I was just joking, but if I could, I would give you some.
Dude, I would be like...
You need some spells, boy.
I don't know. It's a waste of my money, though.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, I'm just quitting. I'm just gonna quit. So yeah. I'm doing a 20-minute video or 30.
Holy crap.
I don't care.
Okay.
I'm getting some spells first.
Yeah, you're gonna need some spells. My troops take so
So
long.
I'm gonna get a lightning strike, and
Oh my god, guys, I'm the freaking boss. Put your base up, Dylan. I just jumped my whole army. Oops. Put your base up.
I just did.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be wrecked.
This is gonna be sad. Okay, we're gonna attack, guys. Wait, first we're gonna watch a video. So yeah, see what this guys did.
Here we go. Bring it in.
I'm trying to see what spot
Come
I
on,
should
Al,
need to
please.
fix. Haley, look at my base and see what I should fix.
Hold on, I'm in the middle of attacking you.
Or just watch my video afterwards.
No!
Yeah.
I'm literally sitting right next to you. Why would I just watch your video?
Cause. Oh yeah, just saying. I just hit 10 subscribers. Someone just reminded me. So
My milk's went outside.
I'm gonna actually do a challenge. So I'm gonna.
Maybe we should go to the store.
we should go to Walmart and see if we can get kicked out.
Oh my gosh.
I'm totally doing that. Because me and my nephews can get banned from Walmart.
Why would you want to get banned from Walmart?
Watch,
Go
and
to
then
Myers, they have more.
when me and my mom and
Okay, that's not a 3-star, guys. That was so bad.
and then when me, my mom, and my dad go to the store, and they'll be like, "Oh yeah, he can't come in here." I'm gonna be like, "Oh, thank you," and they're gonna be like, "Yeah, he's banned."
Oh my god, Dylan, you're such a creep.
I'm gonna be like, "I didn't get banned. Damien did."
You're such a weirdo.
Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna post another video tomorrow. It's probably like a vlog or something.
Doesn't do anything, but okay.
I'm gonna post a vlog
Oh, yeah,
or
I'm
just
going
a
to my
regular
mom's
video.
Tomorrow, guys.
Tomorrow.
So I'll be doing more videos
And yeah.
by myself. Oh my
And then-
gosh, 90%.
Ooh, farmer. I'm gonna get this one. Because he's a farmer. Freaking lightning strike this boy. Boy.
Put your freaking base back up.
Dude, no. Attacking.
Oh my gosh. Can you give me some giants?
In a minute.
I'm cooking this because I just freaking gemmed that whole army. I shouldn't have done that. Who cares? I get gems. Look how many I have. 700.
I'm just gonna wait for this.
I'm saving them for the first builder.
Really?
Which is 1,000, I believe. Where is he?
I probably need to work on my spells.
Yep, 1,000. Or I can buy that for $10, guys. And that would buy me another builder. Ooh,
Okay.
I actually should do that.
Dude, I'm about to beat a Town Hall 8, but he was kind of rushed. So if I get this big 3-star, I'm gonna literally freak. He's...
Oh my gosh, you're such
Okay,
a
guys,
weirdo.
guys, you need to screenshot this because this guy's a freaking Town Hall rusher.
Let me see.
Town Hall 8, I'll replay it afterwards, but
Holy crap, he is rushed.
he's a Town Hall 8, and he's getting destroyed. By Town Hall 7.
What is this? Alice, you have too many golden boys? Where's Alice?
Oh my god, dude. I'm not...
Oh, in our clan, we do videos at night, but like, if you scroll up, like, so many people
Dude.
talk, it's just because it's a UK-based
Nope.
clan, so...
I didn't get a
nobody's on at
3-star.
night because they're 4 hours ahead.
2 stars, okay. I'm just gonna end it right there. Hey, 120 Dark Elixir, is that pretty good? Yeah.
Yeah.
For a Town Hall 8,
Wait, how much was it?
120.
That is terrible.
But look. Town Hall
So?
8. And he's a Town Hall rusher.
So?
It's crazy. Did I remember?
Guys, this is Town Hall.
I remember when my nephew was a Town Hall rusher. He was
He was?
dumb. Yeah, one day, so this is when we used to hang out all the time. And so we were in this one clan, and it was like a big clan war attack, war thingamajigger. And this one guy, that he was Town Hall like 7 or 8, and he had like a lot of money. So after we won and got all those
He
money,
leveled up his Town Hall 8. Or his
we
Town
got a lot of money, like a lot. So I got, when I was Town Hall 6 and I was rushed, and then I just jumped right to Town Hall 7. He jumped straight to Town Hall 8.
Really?
That's how much money we had. But
That's
then
why your walls are so bad.
there's some out.
Dude,
No, wait,
I might actually...
I don't know.
Never mind, that's not a 2-star.
Wait. What should I do for my troops? I don't
Well, I
know.
would tell you to do what I do, but you're not a Town Hall 8.
Just
Here.
tell me.
I don't know, because I use Valks.
That's
I used to use like 24 giants, 10 wizards,
the frick. I'm just
8
gonna do
wall
this.
breakers.
I'm gonna do this.
Don't use barbs and arch.
I'm doing archers.
Oh my god, you need like something to tank. Guys, that was so close to a 2-star on a Town Hall 9. I've actually... Who said something? Oh, me. Come on, guys, I need more bases.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I don't care. I have so much freaking gems. I'm just gonna gem it real quick.
What do you have? How
Huh?
much? How much
147. I'm gonna have more when I just like go like this, go like that, and go like this.
So shout out to all these people.
I'm gonna waste all my gems right now.
Who's talking in our clan? Nobody. When I am Town Hall 9,
Let's go.
they are. Why do you use lightning?
Cause they're boss.
It doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
What does it destroy?
A lot.
Not really.
A lot. Mine are level 4.
Mine are level 5.
Well, then it's
So
too bad.
Suck it.
Suck it. I don't want to suck it.
My rage is maxed.
Cool.
Yeah. So look at it.
Look at it.
And I got my hero going 5. Should I gem it then?
Cool.
No,
Cool.
I'm
Cool.
not.
I'm attacking again.
Me?
Me.
You want me to attack you?
No.
No, attack my base real quick, because you have spells.
I'm already attacking.
No, you're not.
Yeah,
Press
I am.
surrender.
No.
Go for good loot. Go to the Japanese servers if you can't get it.
Oh yeah. I remember that.
Yep. No offense to them, but
They're actually-
get
they have a
really,
lot of money.
like, since it's nighttime there.
Hey guys, look what I'm gonna do. Hit
like,
language
things.
and go all the way to Japanese. Which one's Japanese? Far above? Far above?
Up, yeah, 6th up from the bottom, because they added 2 new languages.
Okay. You see what I just did, guys? If you're playing Clash of Clans, do that, and you can get a lot of loot. Watch. You ready?
6 seconds so I can get it.
Okay, that's nothing. Just saying. That's your Town Hall 6. Town Hall 6. Or 7, I don't know. Can't remember. I don't oh, see? Town Hall 6 or 7. And look at that. Look at the loot.
What is
Just
it?
look at the loot.
Oh yeah, attack that dude. It's all in the collectors, so it's not
Dude.
gonna be on the inside.
I'm not even going to freaking do it.
Why?
'Cause I would have just
You're an
lost. I would
Why?
have just lost. I would have just lost.
Why?
'Cause I would have lost.
I might push the champs.
Ooh. I'm not going to attack this.
Champ?
Wait. Wait.
Holy crap, that's freaking
Wait.
far as fudge.
Wait.
Where is that at?
Wait. 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 Okay, this is pretty good, but I'm going to attack it, so. Fudge. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb.
Where is it?
I'm so dumb. I am so smart.
What the?
Oosh, 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 oosh. Blow up,
Okay, this is
blow up.
weird. I don't know.
This dude's such a town hall
Such a town hall.
rusher.
Oh my gosh, don't. Such a town hall.
Rusher.
Everybody on Japanese is. No offense, again.
You always say, oh my god, I just wasted a spell.
Why?
Giant just moved right out of the way. Right when I dropped that
Thank
spell.
you. Do you guys want to watch my last war attacks? Because they were pretty bad.
Oosh. I'm working out when I'm doing
We
this.
lost.
Oh yeah,
and,
guys, leave a comment if you guys want me to do a webcam.
There were.
Oh yeah,
like,
and
tweets
for the vlog, I just remembered again. I'm gonna probably say it twice in this video, which I'm going to right now. So
where is it?
for the vlog tomorrow, or another like a video or whatever I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna make sure you guys have to leave a like
So, what the?
and
Okay.
leave a like because I have 10 subscribers now. So
let's see.
leave a like. What challenge do you want me to do?
There was-
Like we did it. Remember that challenge that we
He
did?
tried number 8. He tried number 8.
Haley,
Then I tried number 8, and then he 3-starred number
Haley,
8.
you remember that
What?
challenge that we did?
What challenge?
But we
Oh,
recorded.
yeah. Did you post it?
No,
Why?
because it was so bad.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was
Why?
because it was bad.
So we did a challenge for you guys, but Dylan's not gonna post it.
Yeah, it's really bad.
This was a really bad attack, guys. Like,
That was-
literally the
no,
worst
I did a bad
that
attack.
I've ever
I did a
done.
bad attack. Going back
Because
to
I
English.
usually use either hogs or drags for war. And I was doing this, and I freaking,
So yeah,
I don't even know
look
what
at this
I did
guy.
wrong.
He's laying down like a little mother chucker. I'm gonna heal him.
So,
Guard.
speed that up.
Sleep.
All the
Guard.
archers.
Guard.
Sleep the frig.
Guard. Sleep. Guard. Guys, look. 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 Look where he's going. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going?
That was a
to
really bad
tree.
heal.
You're going to a tree. And you're gonna clap. You're gonna clap. Where are you gonna clap? Where are you gonna clap? Ah, I told you you're gonna clap. You guys saw that? It's gonna clap.
I don't know how I lost.
It's gonna clap. This one's gonna clap.
Stupid skeletons.
Watch. Watch. Clap.
And then
See, I
ended
told
up
you guys.
failing. I used
Have you guys
that.
ever noticed that? They clap.
Who?
Oh, I'm gonna add you.
Yeah, add me as a friend.
I did. Oh yeah, so
Yeah,
you know
that was
those
my
those things that go over to a tree or whatever?
Oh, yeah, the little girls.
Yeah, they'll clap.
Marley always watches them when she plays.
I don't know, you just go by it and they'll clap.
And then I did this attack because we were really behind in war.
I'm gonna
And I did this at
do
school.
wizards, giants, and then archers.
And this is what I usually do, but I've been trying to save my
Let's go.
elixir because it cost me 400,000
That's brutal.
to do it with drags.
Boom,
and
boom,
it's
boom.
terrible.
Boom.
So then I just
Oh,
do
God.
hogs, and it's better.
I'm gonna have
That
to
was
probably
an
end
easy
this video
3-star.
soon.
It was
Or-
a pretty easy 3-star.
Where's my
though,
charger? Frick.
even though we lost. Pretty sure it's because.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my charger first before I do anything. Oh, yeah, guys. You guys gotta leave a like. Like, if you guys comment and see if you guys want me to leave a comment and see if you guys want me to say yes in the comments if you want me to do like a bottle flipping video, because I'll do a bottle flipping video because it's fun. Gooch over.
You kind of got wrecked by CC actually.
Okay, Haley.
What?
So, do you want to have them leave a like? No, leave a comment saying yes if they want. If we want, if they want a bottle flipping video.
Sure.
Well, you gotta tell them now. So. I already told mine. So yeah, I'm gonna
So
get
if
started.
you guys leave a comment down below, then I'll do a battle flipping challenge with Dylan, and then yeah. we can
Oh yeah,
do
just
that.
saying, guys, I do not like Kaylee.
Yeah, we're just neighbors. Everybody thinks that we like just because we hang out, we like each other and stuff, and it's like,
Yeah.
nah.
I don't like her.
He's like
She's not my type.
a little kid.
She's not my type.
I'm
And
everybody's
she's
type.
like 5 foot taller than me. And she's like 13,
Nope.
and I'm 11.
This guy wasn't that good.
Which is weird if you date
and
someone.
we don't allow Indians in our clan. I'm sorry if you guys are Indians, but it's not really anything personal. It's just
So
their
sorry
time zone
for
is
this
really
video.
different than ours,
For
since
just
on the
like,
other side of the world.
it's my first
So,
video of Clash of
That's
Clans.
hard
So if
for
it was
us.
kind of
And,
boring,
like, they're
I'm sorry.
ignorant. They
I'm
don't
gonna try to get
don't,
more,
donate,
like,
and all they do is
not
request,
be
request,
boring all the
request.
time. It's just
They
because
don't use both
I don't
attacks
have-
more, and
people
they're
are not
loyal,
commenting.
They just don't stay.
you
Like,
guys gotta comment what
usually every
games
single
that you
Indian
guys
player,
want us to
like,
play. Like,
this
I only
person right
play
here,
Clash of Clans, Madden Mobile,
Indian,
and
but one
FIFA,
of the
and
people in our
Minecraft.
clan
But
knows
Minecraft's
them,
getting boring. I
and
don't
they
want
said
to
that they
video
play, they're
Madden
loyal,
because
and we're
I don't
letting them
usually
in,
like.
just trusting them.
It's kind of weird
But
playing
this has been a
Madden.
pretty boring video for you
but-
guys. I'm gonna end this with a 3-star from Dylan's face. So
Yeah.
Dylan put up.
Yeah. So I might not do Madden. So yeah,
Why?
Madden Mobile.
Yeah, why?
I don't know. I'm just telling them why this video is gonna be so boring, and
What, this one?
yeah, my first video.
No.
It's just because this is like the first video, and we don't got other games to play. Like no one's commenting.
Yeah, you guys aren't commenting down below. So we don't know.
Guys, this is gonna be probably a boring channel, so you guys gotta comment.
A boring channel. until you guys start helping us figure out what games to play, it's gonna be boring.
Yeah. If you guys don't want it to be boring, comment.
Yes, seriously.
I'm not kidding. There's a lot of games to play, but there's a lot of games that are
Not enough time. No, I'm just kidding.
that are really weird, and we don't know if you guys like them.
Yeah, because
So-
we like some games, but other people don't
Yeah.
like them. And we don't want you guys to be bored.
So, like, if I play a racing game, Haley, I don't care if Haley doesn't want to play, but if you guys like it, then I'll play it. But
Yeah, me and Dylan aren't always going to play the same games. Like, I'll probably play Bloons Tower Defense by myself now because I like that
So, yeah.
game. And he can't play it.
because I got hacked by Dumbo.
You did not get hacked. You
Dude,
lost
it's
all your stuff.
obvious you got hacked.
You can't get hacked.
Yeah, you can.
If you got hacked, you'd be hacked on all of your games. Because you'd
No,
have your
I wouldn't.
thingy.
Not really. Because I could use different emails every time.
Yeah, then obviously they know your email. And that's going to be at the end of the video with a 3-star from
So, yeah,
Dylan
guys.
Dace.
So I'm gonna jump this real quick
peace
and
out,
do
have a great
another
day,
video,
and make sure you guys
another
check out our
attack,
clan
and I'm gonna
invite
try to
us
get a
set
3-star for you guys,
some
and then
yeah,
that'll be it for
Odin's
the video. So
Alright.
why I didn't
So,
attack
you guys need to
that
leave
base
a
is
like,
because
comment
if
down
there's
below
space,
if you want us to do
it's
the Wild
obvious
Bounce
that
again.
there's gonna have bombs and stuff.
Tell your friends about us.
I can see that.
Subscribe. Be there for us. If you guys get me 5 likes on this video, I'll do a face cam on my next video. And
Oh yeah, I'm definitely
Peace
no, I'm not attacking that.
I'm
Not
done.
attacking that. I'm not. I'm gonna keep on going just because this is my first video. I'm only gonna use 5 minutes. 5 minutes again. Cause it's already at 20.
Holy crap.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna attack this thing with a 3-star. My voice probably sounds weird.
Hello.
Hey, still recording.
Look at. Bro, stop creeping.
What? I gotta text someone and see if I do. I gotta text someone and see if I do, cause I can't remember. What? Or just. Oh,
No, I'm a good kid. I do it at school.
I do it at school too. Mom, be quiet. At least I didn't fail. I'm not even gonna say.
Okay, you need to stop being mean right now. Just stop.
I wasn't even talking about someone.
I know exactly who you're talking about. He's being mean to my sister.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Oh
I'm not.
crap! I don't even think I used my.
Okay, guys. I already know it's gonna be a 3-star, but I'm gonna let it finish. So yeah, it's gonna probably be like the worst video of the first video of Clash of Clans.
Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans.
Remember when you go like, "Hey guys, it's the miners here." I'm just kidding. It's the miners here. All right, that's a big freaking 3-star. So yeah, guys. Sorry if this was like a not short, but boring video. I might tomorrow or Saturday or Sunday I'll post a video of Clash of Clans or different games. You guys just need a comment. I'm not kidding. Like, you guys need a comment. No one's commenting. It's getting annoying. So yeah. I'm gonna edit here. End it here. So leave a like, comment if you guys want to do a challenge video, and comment if you what games you guys want us to play. So yeah, leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Peace.